Imagine running a YouTube channel where videos are created, managed, and scaled without lifting a finger. Sounds too good to be true? Well, with YouTube automation powered by artificial intelligence, this dream can become your reality. In this video, we'll show you how to take your YouTube automation channel from a beginner's project to a professional income-generating machine using AI. YouTube automation means outsourcing or automating most tasks required to run a channel: content creation, editing, SEO, and more. It's a hands-off approach that focuses on managing the process rather than doing the work yourself. With AI tools at your disposal, these tasks become faster, cheaper, and scalable. Let's dive into how you can harness AI to dominate in this space. Before you start automating, choose a niche that has high demand but manageable competition. Use AI-powered tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ to analyze trending topics and identify underserved niches. These tools provide data-driven insights, helping you pick a niche that's perfect for automation. AI tools like ChatGPT can generate engaging scripts in minutes. Simply input your topic and watch the tool craft an outline or even a full script. No need to hire voice actors. Tools like Murf.ai or Descript provide natural-sounding voices that can narrate your videos seamlessly. AI video editing platforms like Pictory or InVideo can convert your script into polished videos. Upload your text, choose visuals, and let the AI do the rest. Your thumbnail is your first impression. AI tools like Canva or Thumbnail Blaster can design attention-grabbing thumbnails in minutes. Use AI to optimize your titles, descriptions, and tags. Platforms like TubeBuddy help you rank higher in search results by suggesting the right keywords. Even with automation, some tasks may need a human touch. Combine AI with freelancers for tasks like advanced editing or personalized audience engagement. The key is to streamline the workflow, so your role is just managing and scaling. Once your channel is up and running, explore multiple income streams: YouTube AdSense, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. And remember, the more videos you produce, the more revenue potential you unlock. Ready to go pro? Here's how: 1. Diversify content by creating multiple channels in different niches. 2. Invest in premium AI tools and upgrade to advanced AI platforms for better results. 3. Build a team by hiring managers to oversee multiple channels. And 4. Focus on branding by establishing authority in your niches through consistent, high-quality content. With AI, the possibilities for YouTube automation are endless, so why wait? Start building your hands-off empire today. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let's conquer the YouTube world together.